Xin chào, Ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel VietMomCooking. My name is Xin. Today I will show you how to do simple soup for cold day. If you have carrots, here you need 1 bowl of carrots. Cut like this much a bit. 1 bowl of potato, about 3 medium-sized potato. And you will need some black pepper, chicken broth, chicken seasoning. So I use 6 cups. I use 3 or 4 teaspoons of chicken seasoning. I use 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar or 2 teaspoons if you want a little sweet. And I have 2 teaspoons of garlic. We will turn on medium-high heat. Get some oil. This soup's really simple, easy make. And when you feel like a little sick, you can make this soup perfect. We don't need milk in this soup. You saute some garlic first. So also you will need some cilantro and green onion. This soup take about 15 or 20 minutes. You cook until potato and carrots soft, but not like mushy. You saute garlic first. Today outside really cold, about 35 degrees, so this soup is perfect. When you saute garlic, you can smell and light browns. You can put some carrots inside. When you saute the carrot with garlic and oil, make the soup color beautiful. Cook a little bit. Let's cook 1 or 2 minutes and then you put a potato inside. Smell really good. Now you can add your seasoning, chicken seasoning. Black pepper, salt, sugar, little garlic we already add. Now we can put water, little the 6 cup. You can add the chicken seasoning or the water cover the vegetable. Okay, now we let cook about 15 minutes or 20 minutes until potato and carrot soft. I will come back. Tết đến rồi, Tết đến rồi, Tết đến rồi, Tết đến trong tim mọi người. Mừng ngày Tết trên khắp quê hương, người ra chung giáp vô nan. Dù đi đâu, ai cũng nhớ về chung vui bên gia đình. Hey guys, the soup done. Hopefully you like my sing. Okay. Let me take out and show you. You just check the potato and carrot soft is soup done. And if you let me get a spoon, get some cilantro and some green onion. Oh, this soup's really good with a cold day. Even you feel not well or sick a little bit, you can eat this soup. This soup make you healthy back. Simple. Look. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.